This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by positioning yourself and your ID for a clean capture. Hold the card at chest level, not covering your face, and align eyes with the camera center. Once done, frame your head and shoulders with space above the crown. This ensures the face occupies required percentage of the frame. Make sure lighting is even, face front lit, no strong backlight, so facial features are clear for automated verification. Tap Capture when the preview shows a centered, unobstructed face. You now check the preview for technical compliance. Confirm head size meets the guideline and shoulders are visible. This helps the biometric matcher. Once satisfied, ensure autofocus locked and any smoothing or color filters are turned off because automated systems reject altered images. If the app offers grid lines, use them to center your face. If not, use a helper to steady the device. Finally, take multiple shots quickly and choose the sharpest to upload. You finish by reviewing the cropped image and accepting the portal's suggested crop only if it preserves the full face and shoulders. This keeps aspect ratio correct for matching. Once uploaded, double-check that timestamp and unedited status are preserved and that your name and ID number match the form. After submission, copy the confirmation number and verify successful status. If verification fails, retake under brighter light and without glasses, then reupload. This step fixes most common rejections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.